Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable HDMI-eARC on your HISENSE TV. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to settings. Now here we need to scroll a bit down and then go over to the audio output settings. And right up the bottom, we will have the HDMI-eARC. As you guys can see, we can connect the audio device that supports the eARC. And now I cannot change that because of this feature being not available for my region, I guess. So what I can do is tell you guys that all you need to do is click OK to disable it and OK to enable it on your TV remote. And that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, any comment, and I'll see you in the next one.